Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video. Today we've got the Canon G-4210. Essentially with this one, you're going to have to install two ink cartridges slash print heads before you actually install the ink. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I'm also going to show you how to install the bottled ink. It's no longer cartridges, and these bottled inks, provide you with a lot more ink. So we're going to go into how to install all of this. So the first thing you're going to do is lift the top of the printer. You're going to click on the two buttons for C and B to release, and then you're going to lift up the latch in front of the print head holder. If you have a brand new printer that you're installing these on, you're going to remove all of the plastic that's around the print heads. You're going to start with either C or B, doesn't matter. But once you have that lifted, the print head holder, you're then going to place it in. Just make sure it's fits snug in there, and it's not really loose. It should be pretty tight down in there. You're going to do the same thing with the black. Now, if you were wanting to get some cheaper remanufactured versions of the ink that you need for this printer, check the link in the description below. I am going to be providing some information for that. Okay, once they're both in there pretty snug, you're then going to close the top of the print head holder, and you're going to click down both B and C, those buttons. That's going to secure both of them in place. And basically what happens is through those tubes there, the ink will go into the print heads, and that's how you're going to be able to print onto your paper. So the first ink bottle we're going to use is the black. So this is very different from the Epson Eco tanks in that you are actually going to have to squeeze the bottle to get the ink out. You can't just flip it up and leave it there. You're going to have to tip it over, and then it won't just drip in. You can't just hold it there and the ink will just start dripping in little by little. You have to actively press the bottle, unlike the Epson Eco Tank one, which just drips down by itself, until it's completely full. Once you have all of the ink in that compartment, you see that it's full, then you're going to close that up and you're going to move on to the next color. So black is done there. Next, we're going to work on cyan, magenta, and yellow. So you have this rubber piece that you're going to take off. Now, these aren't too secure. That's one thing I don't really like about them, but they do the job. They hold the ink in place. Nothing should really, get out of that compartment. So same process here. You're going to tip the bottle up into the compartment, and then you're going to squeeze it until it's completely full. And once the bottle is empty and that's full, it's done, and you can throw away the bottle. And you're going to continue that same thing with yellow. And then once you are done with all of the colors, you're going to close everything up, and you should have some prompts on the screen that you need to go through, and it'll load up the ink. And that's really all there is to it, you guys. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. But that's all I really have for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.